So guys, now in this video I'll show you that how much damage does 1000 earthquake spells do. Can look here, earthquake spells 1000 max level. So we'll see some base and I feel this fine. So we'll do this 1000 max earthquake spells on a base. How does it work? And we'll go with so you can find we have used 10 but there's no lots of damage there. We'll use some. No, there's no use now. We'll first go with this. You can see I feel storages don't work. So for storage we have to use some separate thing. And Eagle Artillery is also locked. So you can see my mobile is also stucking because of this much of RAM. It requires lots of RAM and my mobile is already 4 GB RAM. Can find this not still working, but we have still used only 300 spells. Oh. Why don't you come proper? Become proper. We'll see how much damage does this do now. Take so less damage. And still we have got only 0% damage. I can't believe this. Use more. I'll finish up to 500 now. Oh. I'm getting fed up now. What will I use? Okay, we'll finish this 1000, then we'll go with something. Oh, by mistake I have used the Santa spell. You can see guys, because of this my mobile is gone. And this sucks a lot. So guys, I'll end this battle now itself. Because so it's clear now. Sorry guys for that. For video I can't spend. I can lose my mobile, right? So we'll do some other attack with all the troops which you have. If you want I'll use some. No need earthquakes. We can use clones now. Okay, I'll show you clone spells attack and we have got a good base too. No, we have lots of heroes here. I don't think they work solo. So we'll go for some other base which has lots of defense like Infinite Towers. And this game is really yeah, we got. Look, there are lots of Infinite Towers which have multi thing and air defense too. So which troop will we use now? Clones. Clones and lava horns. We have one miner, one baby dragon and one lava bomb. So you can see this lava bomb does good damage, right? So we'll use a miner too and baby dragon too. Oh, oh, think we are worst. Huh? Giant? Look, this giant is still here. We'll use some P.E.K.K.A.s too. Lots of Inferno towers, so our lava horns will get melted up easily. So I'm thinking what to use. So look, we have lots of 96 lava horns, we can easily use them. And we will clone them too when they go to. We'll at least bring them to 70. So I'll use some clones too here. So you can see the clones. How does lava horns bring? Oh my clone, come on, you can do this. Come on, yes, do that. Yes, awesome. I'm looking for that. When does this pops burst? I think because of this eagle artillery, the pops are bursting away there itself. And we'll use some night witches and we'll put some clones for those all too. You can see the clone for night witches is really awesome. The bats are cool. The most thing I like in night witches, and I love bats here and night witches. Witches too, but I don't use them because they are a bit boring. But night witches bats are really cool. And we'll use some ballers here as they come from this side. We have 3 this thing cannon cards, and we will use this 9 super P.E.K.K.A. too. No, 1 is enough here. So I like to make all even, guys. Like even in the sense the troop measurement even. Can see we'll use some more clones now. That's a good thing. Oh, balloon. Awesome, but the clones are so guys, this is the video for today. And please, you can see lava pops bursting. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel so to get more and more videos like this using many troops.